Hi you guys, welcome to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are going to be talking about the latest study on migraines and meditation. Now before we get started, we're going to talk about this channel. Now I have what is called vestibular migraines, and 1 in 10 Americans have migraine issues. And I believe for me, my number one cause is stress, and I feel that it is the same for most people. So I'm going to tell you about this latest study that I've read online. And the first one is over time, it does lower stress. And I do believe that is true. And it improves the pain intensity, which I did not know until I read about this. And it reduces the frequency of your headache. I'm reading something so I don't forget, I'm sorry. And then the next one is improves pain intolerance. And it reduces the medication usage, and it improves a quality of life. And I've also read, and over time, with doing mindfulness meditation, you will see an improvement in your hair. Your hair won't be as stressed. It won't seem like your hair is stressed, and your hair will feel better, which I'm interested more in that study. All right, thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, please do just consider subscribing. All right, and if you have any questions for me or you have a video idea, put that in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.